Hey guys, how's it going? How to add subtitles to videos automatically with CapCut AI. First of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, make sure that you download it. Or if you downloaded already, make sure that you update it to the latest version. Now, open it up and then select your project. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select the AI project, right? And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to see right here at the tools that I'm referring to, click the captions and generate from all, and select your native language and make sure that it fits all the selected languages by CapCut. So in my case, I'm using Arabic. Select the templates, of course, for your subtitles. Let's have, for example, this one. And here you're gonna see the generate button, right? So hit generate, right? And all you gotta do now is sit back and wait until CapCut generate leveraging AI tool to make sure that you get the right captions for this exact video. So now, as you can see, I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here, right? And afterwards, you're gonna see the subtitles eventually, right? So if you like what you see, you could just go ahead and hit export the blue button at the top right, so you can publish it to your platform, whether that was YouTube, TikTok Shorts, whatever that might be for you. As you can see right here, the subtitles are generated. Because I'm using CapCut in English, that's why the words kind of seem off. But if you change the language of your CapCut, if you want me to show you how you can do that, you could go back, close the window, click right here, me at the bottom, and then you're gonna see the settings at the top right, and you're gonna see the app language, and you can select your native language, and from there you're gonna be able to see the right subtitles. Right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.